everyone, welcome to our channel SD Vision. Today we are going to learn Standard 10th SSC Board English Kumar Bharti from Unit 2nd, the second poem from Unit 1st, All the World's Stage Appreciation. So this is the poem All the World's Stage, which is written by William Shakespeare. This poem is taken from his play As You Like It. So let's read the poem. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts. His acts being 7 ages, at first the infant, mumbling and pucking in the nurse's arms, then the winning schoolboy with his satchel and shining morning face creeping like a snail, unwillingly to school. And then a lover, sighing like furnace, with a woeful ballad made to his mistress' eyebrow, then a soldier, full of strange oaths and bearded like a pard, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation, even in the cannon's mouth. And then the justice, in a fair round belly with good cap and lined, with eyes severe and beard of formal cut, full of voice sauce and modern instances, and so he plays his part. The 6th age shifts into a lean and slippered pantaloon with spectacles on nose and pouch on side. His youthful host well saved a world too wide for his shrunk shank and his big manly voice. Turning again toward childish treble, pipes and whistles in his sound. Last scene of all that ends this strange eventful history is second childishness and mere oblivion, sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste and sans everything. All the world's a stage. So let's begin. The poem All the World's a Stage is taken from Shakespeare's play As You Like It. So let's begin. William Shakespeare is described as the father of English literature. He was the greatest poet and playwright. He compares the world to a drama stage where the drama of human life is enacted. This poem is not a poem but the speech made by Jake, the character in this play. It is a monologue. This poem is an analogy of different stages of life that man goes through during his lifetime. The poet describes the feelings, moods and ambitions of human being in each stage of life. The poem is a blank verse because there is uniformity in rhythm and there are 5 beats in each line. The blank verse was used by English poets, especially Surrey. The central idea of the poem is that the poem directly compares the world to a drama stage and all the men and women to actors who perform their roles on the stage. There is a great deal of imagery in this poem. Shakespeare uses metaphors and similes for comparisons such as second childhood and so on. The poet says finally men and women exit sans everything. The last line of the poem, sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything, is an example of hyperbole. The use of imagery, metaphors, similes and other figures of speech strongly conveys the message of the poem. The poem reflects psychological changes in man on each of the stages. The metaphor is developed through the poem as the theme of the poem. The special features of this poem are symbolism, imagery and analogy. The most significant thing in this poem is that the timeline of life is well organized. To write the appreciation, here are some guidelines. First, title and poet. Second, central theme. Third, the poetic devices such as rhyme scheme and figures of speech and so on. Fourth, special features. And fifth, the message that conveys the poem. So, this was the appreciation of the poem All the World's a Stage. I hope this will help you in your examinations. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave a comment. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.